add the garlic to the soy sauce. I'm going to catch some midden crab. The crabs must be living under that block. This is a Japanese-style crab catching net. These are dog treats. This is a lucky bag of Chinese electronics. I'll also use this American-style crab trap. Insert the dog treat into the stick. Maybe are the midden crabs already dead? The trap was dragged in. Are you ready? Go. Ah! My pen rod broke. The crab doesn't come out. If I pull the peel line forcefully, the peel line will be cut. Let's go in the sea. I'm slippery because of the moss. I'll take off my socks. Hey, hey! It's the middle of winter, you know? The crab got away. I'm taking a break. The crabs are probably on alert. This reel can only be used for pen rods. Let's resume. My feet are getting cold. No good. These These are wild radishes. The crabs are still on alert. The trap was dragged in. Are you ready? Go. The crab got away. I had my dog treat stolen. The crabs are eating the dog treat, I suppose. I can't see the dog treat with the naked eye anymore. Are there any crabs walking around, I wonder? I gave up on catching crabs. I can't go home like this. Let's try to catch a fish. He is my friend. What happened to your tail? If it's a corner eel, I might be able to catch it. He didn't want to eat it because it was not tasty. No, I can't get a bite. Let's harvest the moss. The green moss is not tasty. The brown moss is delicious. If I harvest this much, it should be enough. I will not give up until I catch a crab. Today, I'm going to use a sausage as bait. Let's unpack the electronics lucky bag. There might be a smartwatch in it. This is a cheap earphone. It was a smartwatch after all. I don't need either. Don't panic, it's not a finger. I don't have much time today, so let's get started now. The trap was dragged in. Go. It's resisting fiercely. Go, go. Good, the crab floated. This is the midden crab. It cut off its own arm. It's not big, but I'll take it home. I don't know how to use it because there is no instruction manual. The trap is moving. Go. Good, the crab floated. This one is small, so I'll release it. I'm going home. Let's make moss miso soup. The midden crab needs to be drained of mud, so I won't eat it today. First, heat up the reduced pouch rice. Reduced pouch rices heat up 3 times faster if they are transferred to a Ziploc. This is bonito soup. Add the moss. Boil until the moss turns green. Add miso paste and the miso soup is ready to serve. It's done. So let's eat. The moss texture is very crunchy. This is the garlic soy sauce. Very good. It was very good. Please subscribe to the channel.